You've probably heard we're updating your service from DSL copper to fiber. Now, we know change isn't always easy. And if your current phone and internet setup is working just fine, you might be wondering, why fix what isn't broken? Let's talk about what's changing, what's not changing, and most importantly, what you can expect during the switch to fiber internet. Fiber is the future of internet and phone service. It's faster, more reliable, and better suited for everything from video calls with your loved ones to streaming your favorite shows without buffering. Your DSL copper line has served you well, but it's aging technology. Upgrading to fiber ensures you stay connected without interruptions. Here's the good news. Your phone number and phone service, they're staying the same. You'll still be able to make and receive calls just like you always have. No tech knowledge required. What will change is your online experience. You'll get a new Fidium portal login, and your billing will now come directly from Fidium Fiber instead of Consolidated Communications. One more heads up. Some of your phone's key codes, like how you check your voicemail, may be different. But don't worry, we'll walk you through any updates so you're never left guessing. Because fiber is a whole new kind of connection, this upgrade is more than a simple flip of a switch. It's essentially a fresh install. That means a technician will come to your home, they'll install new equipment, including a fiber line and gateway. You might see a new box on the outside of your home, or near your phone jacks inside. But don't worry, we'll handle everything, and we'll make sure you're set up before we leave. Before your appointment, we'll give you a call to confirm the time and answer any questions you may have. On the day of install, your technician will arrive, introduce themselves, and walk you through exactly what they'll be doing. Most installs take about 2 to 3 hours. If there's anything you're unsure about, just ask. We're here to help. We know this is a big change, but it's a change that future-proofs your home, keeps you connected, and makes sure your service is the best it can be. And remember, you're not doing this alone. We'll be with you every step of the way.